Hi everyone. Let's take a look on how to make a batch call through Blend AI to call all the B2B businesses you want to call in a single API call. And we do that using Blend AI. Obviously, we do use our app for that, and we will not use any line of code. We won't. It's purely no code. And Blend enables us to basically create a prompt which is used for all the calls, all the recipients in the same way, and they enable us to use variables such as contact name or whatever you want, right? You can input any information you have on this business as long as you put those curly braces around it. Funny thing is, on Make, these curly braces are used to create variables. So this is a little bit tricky, but if you do use them like I did with the empty string in it, it's actually working. So like this, working would be a variable. Alternatively, the empty string is here. So this is my prompt. Please call the person with the name, contact name, and business name, and from the business, and ask the person how many muffins he would like to order. We do sell very tasty blueberry muffins. And then I put an array, a bunch of phone numbers basically, and contact names and business names in it, and Blend will automatically call all of them. This is just a test, we enable the test mode, so only the very first one is being called. If you click no, all the phone numbers you choose are being enabled. But we only want the first one. You can also choose the model, the base, the turbo, the enhanced. You can have all sorts of different settings to fine-tune your calls. You can also choose the voice IDs here. Okay, so let's leave that like it is. What's the setup to call multiple phone numbers at once? Therefore, we put the information we want to use into a Google Sheet like this. So in my case, it's the phone number, it's the contact name and the business name. Potentially, you do have even more variables for each individual caller. But in my case, it's only contact name and business name, and the phone number always needs to be included as well. Please, the headers here aren't too important. You can leave them like that. And then we use the search rows. Because we want to call all of them, we don't really have a filter. We just want to get all of the Google Sheet rows. And then we set multiple variables. It's a tool right here. Set multiple variables. And here it's important that the variable name is actually phone number like this. And the contact name and the business name need to be equal to the contact name and the business name here. Otherwise, those variables will not be matched. So Google Sheets, set multiple variables, and then we use the array aggregator and we choose the variables from the set multiple variables. So it's only these three in this example. And then for the Blend AI, we simply input the array. Once we've we've done that, we can click on play, and it calls, it starts the batch call. This is the test mode. It's now queued, I guess. Oh, this is my cat. Yeah, and you see I'm being called.
Hello, is this Richard from Synergetic?
Yeah, that's me. Why are you calling? Hello?
Yes, hello, Richard. Sorry about that. As I was saying, I'm calling about ordering some blueberry muffins. How many would you like?
100, please.
Great, 100 blueberry muffins coming right up. Thank you for your order, Richard. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.